Hey everybody, thanks for watching my channel, Giddy Up Adventures. My name's Matthew. Today we're going to do a quick comparison of the GoPro Max lens mod to see if it's really worth it. So the GoPro Max lens mod was 99 bucks, and the camera already comes with a wide lens, but I just wanted to see if this one made it worthwhile for getting shots from your handlebars looking backwards, and then what it looked like in comparison looking forward from the chin mount on my helmet. So I was expecting that this thing would be a little gimmicky, like it wouldn't really add anything. I also thought it was just a filter that attached to your lens, but it's an actual lens that screws in. So in the end, I'm really impressed. The view feels less crowded, so you can actually tell I'm on a motorcycle, and it gives you a sense of speed and a sense of place. So I actually do think it's worth it. And I also tried another position, which was putting it low and in the back, you'll see here. And that was my favorite. It really gives you a sense of being, next to the bike, almost like you're in a sidecar. You can see the environment, you can see how you're reacting with the surface. So yeah, in the end, I give it a big old thumbs up. Surprise to me, I didn't expect to like this thing, but I really do.